In front of me is Realme 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files section. Now to add an audio one, hit Audio at the top. Pick one of those apps or select those three lines at the top left corner to choose one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner. To add a video one, click on Gallery instead of Files. Select Folders and look for your video here. Then click on it to attach it. If your video is decent, you can also click on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!